Dredge No.4 is the only dredge in the Parks Canada family. This massive machine represents the Yukon corporate mining history that followed the famous Klondike gold rush. These dredges floated in their own ponds like a boat and essentially acted as giant gold pans, using water to wash gravel away and reveal tiny flecks of gold. Parks Canada has made significant investment into the restoration and stabilization of this National Historic Site. For the past 7 years, a team led by certified shipwrights have worked to restore the wooden hull of this impressive vessel.
So usually like when we restore a boat, and you pull the mast, there's always like a silver dollar sitting underneath the mast, which is, signifies good luck, right? So we're actually finishing the project on the 150th anniversary for Canada. So I went down and got a $3 silver coin, and we basically installed it underneath the king plank on the port side. So whoever takes it up, maybe 150, 200 years, 300 years from now, right, is gonna find the coin. So I think that'll be kind of special. Hopefully it gives the dredge good luck, right?